If Minecraft is stuck on updating or won't update at all, there are a few things you can try. First, open the Windows search bar, type CMD, then write, click Command Prompt and select Run as administrator. Click Yes if prompted. In the command prompt window, type ipconfig /flush DNS, press enter. Once that's finished, type netch winsock reset and press enter again. After that, open the Windows search bar and search for network reset. Open it, then click Reset Now and confirm. Windows may ask to restart your computer, so go ahead and restart your PC. Once your computer restarts, open the Minecraft launcher and check if the update begins downloading normally. If the issue continues, make sure your internet connection is stable and that the Minecraft launcher is updated to the latest version. You can also try signing out of the launcher and signing back in. Hopefully, one of these methods fixes the Minecraft update problem and gets you back into the game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.